Hi, I'm David. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the best out of SurveySparrow. SurveySparrow lets you create and share highly engaging, mobile-first surveys that offer a chat-like experience. I'll walk you through the sign-up process, how to create a survey, share it, analyze the results, take a quick peek at other features, and finally demonstrate the end-user experience of a truly conversational survey. You can go to the official website, SurveySparrow.com, and click on the Sign Up button to start your 14-day trial, which is absolutely free. Now that you have your very own SurveySparrow account, you can proceed with creating a new survey. Anyone can easily create an online survey with this tool. It's not rocket science. You can create a new survey from scratch, or choose among the templates already created for you. Here, in the Builder page, you can add new questions and messages. There is a menu of question types from which you can choose the one that suits your case the best. You can also set conditions like skippable and scoring, and enable display logic. By enabling display logic, you can choose to display the questions only when certain conditions are met. For instance, let's say someone rates your product quality a 9 on a scale of 1 to 10. You can set the next question to follow up with a gracious thank you and request them to write a review. And if another customer responds with a dispirited 3, set the next question to explain their dissatisfaction and assurance that you'll look into it. You can set the various conditions here so that this particular question will be displayed only when these conditions are met. See the $ on the right side of each question? Click on this sign to create a variable and customize your survey. You can use this to personalize your survey with question piping, contact param, and custom param. You can also drag and drop the questions to rearrange them and preview it to see what your survey will look like. Oh, and everything you do is auto-saved, so no worries there. Guess what? You can even preview it in different modes like desktop, tablet, and mobile. See this icon here? Click on this to configure your survey settings. You can rename your survey, categorize it to folders, choose survey URL, and send thank you emails in here. Now that we've created a survey, let's see how to share it with our audience. You can share your survey through email, a unique web link, social media, or even embed it in your website or product. Within Email Share, you can automate reminder emails, or enable the recurring survey where your survey will go out on scheduled intervals. Or you can share a web link on your survey, which is one of the most flexible sharing options there is. You can also share your survey through social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Yet another way to get your surveys to your audience is by embedding it in your website or product. SurveySparrow supports 3 kinds of embed surveys: auto-triggered, user-invoked, and inline embed surveys. To embed surveys onto your website or product, choose the widget type, configure the window style and other options here. Copy this code snippet and click on Save. This copied code snippet can be pasted to your HTML code in order to register the survey widget. We've discussed how to create and share surveys. Now let's see how you can analyze the results. It's pretty straightforward to view the results and analyze how your audience have responded to your questions. There's a dashboard with a quick summary of the reach and performance. Then there is Reports section with a detailed analysis of questions and responses. And then there is Responses section where you can access individual responses and download custom reports. All complete with neat charts and graphs. Nice! We've discussed how to create and share surveys and analyze survey results. Now let's look into other SurveySparrow features. Here, in the Audience tab, you can view, add or remove contacts, and create custom lists. The next tab is the Settings tab where you can fiddle with the settings, invite colleagues on board, integrate apps, customize your account and branding, manage billing, and sort out a whole lot of details. Wonder how the interface will look for an end user? I'll show you how. As you can see, SurveySparrow Survey resembles a chat-like interface and is so much fun to take. In fact, conversational surveys like this one here can raise your completion rates by a whopping 40%. Isn't this such a fresh change from those boring survey forms you were used to? There, you've just learned how to use SurveySparrow. If you have any doubts, you can reach us through this chat box right inside the product, or send us an email at support@surveysparrow.com. We are only a chat away.